Hi there. So I'm up here on our patio on the second floor. I guess we could really call it a terrace. And for my birthday, Drizzt got me a weather station. And not only did he get me a weather station, but he also rigged it, as you can see on the side here, so that I can pull it out and in for maintenance. So he engineered that, engineer that he is. He spent all day yesterday putting it together. So now I have this really nifty weather station out there in the environment. And as you can see, it measures wind speed, wind direction, and that cup will measure rainfall. And what I've done is I've registered the weather station with Weather Underground, the government agency NOAA, Google Home. So all we have to do now in the house is ask Google what the weather is like at the house, and it will tell us very accurately. And yeah, so that's it. And I'm gonna get out of here because there is a bee and I don't want to get stung. So yeah, I just wanted to show that off and how cool it is. And how grateful I am to Frank for putting it, for not only just for getting it, but for putting it all together for me. Thank you, my love.